I have two quick topics to review with you today. One of them is reciprocal. Reciprocal works with fractions. So if you have the fraction 2/3, its reciprocal simply means that you flip it and the denominator becomes the numerator. The numerator becomes the denominator and you get 3/2 would be this reciprocal of 2/3. If I have 5/6, okay, my denominator becomes my numerator. The numerator becomes the denominator. You get 6/5. Now, the thing about reciprocals, when you multiply them, you will always get a certain number. Does anybody remember what that is? Let's try it. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 over 6 is 1. Okay, 1 whole. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 5 is 30. Again, 30 over 30 is a whole. If we have 30 parts out of 30, we've got the whole thing. So a reciprocal is a number, is the inverse of a fraction. Or you're going to flip it, and then when you multiply the reciprocal times the original number, you will always get 1. So simple review there on reciprocal. Now I want to show you a little bit about area. So we're going to do some practice with area on our IXL today. When you're graphing, this is a coordinate plane. If you had the coordinate, let's say 3, 2, that tells me to go over 3 and up 2. It's always over and then up. So over and then up. Just as a reminder, or down, depending what it was. So 3, 2 would be there. If my next number was 3, -1, then I'd go to 3 and I would go down 1. Then I might have -2, 3. Or -2, 2. Let's do that instead. So I'm going to go to -2 and I'm going to go up 2. And then I might have -2, -1, which tells me I'm going to go to -2 and down 1. And I have formed a rectangle that can be connected with these 4 dots. And now if I was to ask you the perimeter of this shape, perimeter, the distance around, okay, there is 3 is the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares is the length. So the perimeter would be 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus another 3 would be 16. Okay, if I wanted to find the area of this shape, that would be the number of squares that are inside of it. So it would be 3 times 5, or 15. Area would be 3 times 5, which is 15. Okay, perimeter is the distance around. 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, come back and review this video if you need to. It gives you an example of what you'll be doing today.